Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, so my name is Absar and if you're always watching videos, so welcome to Unicorn World. And today, as you see that making slime for giveaway. Yes, making slime for giveaway, that was part 1. And I'm back with part 2. The reason behind it that I don't continue the video, my color was fell down on my suit. So that's why I quit the video. Then, okay, so part 2 is here. And our blue slime is also done. And keep it side, not side. Okay, so 2 slimes are done, and let's make 3rd slime. So we always need to add glue. Our glue, okay. So we'll add some orange color. 4 drops of orange color and too much pink color. Okay, I thought the color comes to me. Oh, go in. Oh, it goes in. So guys, if you're excited for the video, then do nothing. I'll clean up my hands. Wow, this is very perfect pink color right now. Guys, who want to win this giveaway? Only the steps are, I will tell you in the link. When it will be 50 subscriber, and my Instagram account is wow.slime02. When there will be 50 followers, I will just start slime giveaway, and these slime will be given. And guys, more steps are there. You need to follow my 2 IDs, accounts on Instagram, and you need to follow me on TikTok. That is a good reason to get more followers. But if you do that, I will give you I will give you slimes, or I will start doing a giveaway. So guys, there is no any hard step. Only you need to do is follow and subscribe. And if you doesn't get a giveaway, don't think that you will never ever have a giveaway or giveaway slime. So guys, only comment down below that who need giveaway, so I will just give them, and my new video will be soon coming of making some more slime of giveaways, and coloring clear slime. So guys, I will tell you the step, and comment down below that who needs slime. If you need a slime, then comment down below that I need slime. So I will keep the people in my giveaway list. See, my eyes getting bigger. Oh. Okay, so, and please, haters not allowed in this video. Haters not allowed in any of the video. Haters not allowed in this video, or no, in any of the video. Okay. So we're gonna add some lotion. Okay guys, so who would want to win this giveaway, then do #I want giveaway. Okay, so you will need to post I want giveaway, and I will post link in description box that what you need to do. Okay, so I was telling you, if you guys, so guys, we will add at Twitter. So I was telling you guys that if you won't get a giveaway, so don't think that you will never ever have a giveaway. You will have a giveaway, but next time. And I will not cut like जैसे कोई एक giveaway मैंने किसी को दे दिया, right? So मैं उससे अपनी लिस्ट में से नहीं निकालूंगी. जो जिसे मिल जाएगा उसे भी अपनी लिस्ट में रखूंगी, और जिसे नहीं मिलेगा उसे भी लिस्ट में रखूंगी. So guys, unfollow और unsubscribe मत करेगा, क्योंकि आपको भी नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको मिलेगा. अगर सेम को मिला तो फिर मैं उसे कट कर दूंगी, मतलब लिस्ट में से कट नहीं करूंगी, उससे नहीं दूंगी, लेकिन मैं किसी और को दे दूंगी. So guys, we are gonna microwave it. Okay. So guys, still that is very microwave. So let's pack our slimes. I'm gonna put white one in this one. Okay. This is full. See guys, so this is white star slime, white, and you can see stars there, star slime. One more. I think I should like first let me measure the size. Okay, I think I should add some orange color, so this will be new for you guys also. Let me mix it behind the camera. So guys, this is turned into orange. I have added some lotion also for more softness because it was not like allow me to mix. Okay, so let's pack it in a container. This is orange slime. You can see the difference. This is a little big and this is a little small, but this is orange and this is white. Orange and white. Both are my favorite colors too. Okay, then one more white slime. Do you hear the fart sounds? One more. Time for a blue one. I think I should pack a blue one in a bigger container. This much left. So guys, see, blue one is also done. And let's keep it safely. And I think the slime should be done right now. So guys, activator is left too much, so we will keep our activator safely. And where's the spoon, guys? Oh, it is here. So this is warm and let's mix it. Guys, this is too much warm. I will mix it behind the camera. Guys, मैंने activator बनाया था और मुझे बोला था मैं बैग में रखती हूँ. I'm reading count again because winter are here. So I was telling that. So I have just keep borax and activator left, so I keep it. Almost done. Guys, this is the most stretchable and most soft slime ever. See guys, because I have added toothpaste in it because this was so hard before. So I think pink one should be also in a bigger bowl. And this two pieces left, so we will mix it to make purple, and that is orange. It looks like marble, but we need to mix it. Guys, this nails you can see matches with this color because there is nail paint of Canada. Okay, so one more bowl left, so we will put this in it. See guys, this looks different from them. Okay guys, so we are having purple slime. No, we will start white slime, but it is having stars, so it is white multi slime. This is orange slime, but this is having the stars in it, so this is orange multi slime. This is also one white slime, but this is white multi slime because it is having colorful stars in it. This is purple slime, this is pink slime, and this is blue slime. So guys, who want to win these? Do you guys also want to win these? If you want to win this, so okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching this video and bye guys. Subscribe my channel. Woo! Okay, so the big announcement is that I will do this giveaway, but when I will be having 50 subscribers. So the rules are you need to follow me on Instagram. I was having 3 accounts, but someone hacked my account, so these are now 2. One is Absara Izhar, ABSARA IZHAR21. Second is wow.slime21, WOW slime02. These are my 2 accounts and you need to follow them. You don't need to do very hard work. You can easily do that. Okay, so you need to follow, and my TikTok name is Apsara Izhar, ABSARAIZHAR. Okay, so that are names of, this one is for TikTok and these 2 accounts names are for Instagram, and you need to subscribe my channel, which is Unicorn World. UNICORNWORLD, Unicorn World. You need to subscribe. But if you make, by the way, I'm having 1,000 followers. I'm having 1,000 followers on TikTok, guys. TikTok is very popular app. Everyone just follows you. My public account, and I have 1,000 followers. So we are not making 1,000, but this is my new account. So that is not my new account. That is old. But and about TikTok is that there are 1,000 followers, so you need to follow. But there's no any countdown, or you need to do it unlimited. But on Instagram, both accounts, there should be 50 followers. Okay, that should be 50 followers. And on this YouTube, there should be 50 subscribers, 50 followers on Instagram, and 50 subscribers on YouTube. So there is 50 subscribers on Instagram and 50 followers on Instagram, and 50 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so you need to do 50 subscribers on YouTube and 50 subscribers on Instagram. Okay, so you need to do 50 subscribers on YouTube and 50 followers on Instagram. Did it right? So what I'm thinking that these giveaway are different. So if you need to enter, I will post in description. Bye.